Hello friends, welcome back to Roast and Relish. Today I am going to prepare South Indian butter murukku using this raw rice and urad dal and moong dal. So it's an evening snack. You can prepare this and store it in an airtight container and use it for 10 to 20 days also. So let's see how to do this. For this I have taken 5 cups of raw rice, half a cup of urad dal, half a cup of moong dal. So first we need to dry roast this urad dal in a kadai separately, and then you can dry roast this moong dal also. And then after roasting both the ingredients separately, mix it with rice and then you can grind it in a mill and make it into a flour. You can even grind this in a mixie. You can take half the quantity of this. So you can take 2.5 cup of rice and a quarter cup of moong dal and quarter cup of urad dal. Grind it into a smooth powder like this. So now the powder is ready. Now you can start making the murukku. So after grinding it in a mill, you will get double the quantity of this. So I have taken only the half the quantity of the powder. So with this I am going to prepare murukku now. So before making murukku, we require some ingredients. So this is cumin seeds. I have taken 1 teaspoon. Required amount of salt I have taken. Then quarter teaspoon of asafoetida and butter for mixing. I have softened the butter before mixing it. So now we can add the ingredients into this flour. So I am adding the salt. Add the jeera or cumin seeds. Add asafoetida. Now we have to pour this butter slowly and then you can mix it. Now pour the butter and nicely mix it. Now I have mixed all the ingredients along with butter nicely with my hand. Now we need to make a soft dough using water. So I am pouring water now. So slowly mix it. Make like a puri dough. So that consistency will be better. Now I have made it into a soft dough like this. Like a puri dough. So now it should be in this consistency. Now we can start making the murukku. For making murukku, I have taken the murukku maker. So this is the pattern you are going to use it. So I am putting this inside. So we are going to fill this with the dough. Let's add the dough into it. Make it as a small ball and then you can insert inside. Now we are going to close this. Nicely close it after filling it. Now we are going to make the murukku. Now take a plate like this, make it upside down and then you can turn this and make the murukku. Slowly you can make a circle. That's it. So like this you can make. Now I have taken a kadai and I have heated up refined oil for frying. Just drop a small piece of dough and see whether it is coming up. So when it comes up, then the oil is very hot. Then we can start making the murukku. I am going to drop it slowly. Fry this nicely for a few minutes. Then you can flip it. Now you can slowly flip it. Now you can remove it. See, nicely it has roasted. Now murukku is ready. Now the tasty, crispy butter murukku is ready. See how crispy it is. It is very delicious. So try this yummy recipe and enjoy. Store it in an airtight container and have it as an evening snack. See you in the next video. Bye friends. When we buy rava and we need to store it for many days and keep it away from bugs, what we need to do? So there is a simple remedy for this. So we can just dry roast it slightly in a tawa and then you can store it in a airtight container. This avoids the bugs away from this and then you can keep it for more days without getting spoiled. Hope this tip would be useful for you. See you in the next video. Bye friends.